I love making keto charcuterie boards. They're so much fun, you can get creative with them. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and today I've teamed up with ChalkZero to show you how to make a mini dessert charcuterie board. Now, if you've been on Instagram lately, you might have seen a lot of people making these little tiny versions of charcuterie boards that are dessert style. They're perfect for just a snack or if it's just two people eating and just want a little sweet nibble. And of course, it's easy to pair your favorite sugar-free chocolate on top of these. Some ideas are to use either our ChalkZero bark or squares to fill up your board first, and then surround them with your favorite nuts, seeds, and berries. You could even add a little spoonful of our hazelnut chocolate spread. We have just our original chocolate spread and our white chocolate hazelnut spread now. Even sprinklings of some chocolate chips would be fun. Or you could even have a little container and put your favorite ChalkZero syrup inside. This is great for dipping strawberries. Speaking of dipping, you could even melt down our chocolate and make a fun chocolate fondue dip with that. Besides chocolate, some other fun things that can go on your mini charcuterie board would be berries. So some keto approved berries are strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries. You could even get away with having slices of grapefruit on there if you're just having a couple of them. And don't forget the nuts and the seeds. I like to use almonds, walnuts, pili nuts are fantastic. Pecans are really good too. You could use sunflower seeds, or even go as far as to have little containers with nut butters in there, like an almond butter. Decorate with your favorite flowers, even edible ones if you have those. If you're really looking for something different, brie cheese paired with ChalkZero caramel syrup is so good and fantastic. You must try it. I hope you guys got some ideas on how you can make some fun keto mini charcuterie boards. Make sure you tag us, ChalkZero, with all of your photos.